In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to generate leads and customers for your pool maintenance business. But more importantly, I'll show you how you can completely replicate a successful pool maintenance business model that already works. This includes everything from websites, funnels, email automations, and text message automations. Basically, everything you need to streamline and scale your business. Stick with me until the end because I'll also reveal how you can gain access to this proven template for your maintenance business. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Jacob, and I'm helping small businesses grow by providing simple and effective strategies to generate more leads and automate key processes. My focus is on helping you set up the systems that can transform the way you do business, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. I'll be showing you step by step how you can take these proven systems and apply them to your business so you can start scaling your business with confidence. Let's dive in. The best tactic for pool maintenance businesses to attract new customers is offering a free consultation or a discounted first service. This approach works because it gives potential customers the chance to experience your services before making a commitment. For instance, you could offer 10% off the first service. The trick is to provide value upfront, capturing the customer's name, email, and phone number in the process. This way, you're building a relationship that could turn into long-term customers. Now, here's where things get exciting. I'd like to introduce you to Funnel Freedom, a tool that helps you collect client data and automate the follow-up process. Imagine a system that gathers names, emails, and phone numbers from your leads and automatically follows up with them through email or text, all while you sit back and relax. Funnel Freedom also stores all of your leads in a central database, so you can send automated messages, set appointments, and manage everything in one place. Let's take a look at how a funnel works for a pool maintenance business. First, there's a landing page where potential customers can claim offers like a free consultation or a 15% discount on their first service. You can completely customize this page to match your business, from text to images and even the map. When we scroll down, you will find also another headline that might say, "Time is of the essence. Act now, before it is too late." Below, a bold "Schedule Here" button encourages them to grab the deal immediately. It says the offer lasts for 14 days after they claim it, adding urgency and motivating quick action. Once a customer clicks the button, they'll be prompted to enter their name, email, and phone number. The form is clean and easy to fill out, making it simple for customers to provide their information. After submitting, their details are automatically stored in your database, allowing you to follow up with them using automated emails or texts. The next step is for them to schedule an appointment, where they can pick a time that works best for them. The scheduling page is intuitive, allowing customers to select a time slot that works for them. Once they book, they'll receive a confirmation message detailing the time and date of the appointment. This reassures the customer and builds trust. Funnel Freedom also sends reminder emails and text messages to reduce no-shows and keep customers on track. After the service is completed, Funnel Freedom sends an automated follow-up message asking the customer to leave a review on Google. Positive reviews are crucial for boosting your visibility in local searches. So, when potential clients search for your type services, your business shows up at the top. Another fantastic feature of Funnel Freedom is its ability to segment customers based on their behavior. For example, you can target customers who scheduled an appointment but didn't show up, or those who got a quote but didn't book the service. This helps you close more deals. Want to revive old leads? Funnel Freedom makes that easy too with automated messages like, "We miss you, here's 20% off your next service." It also allows you to send birthday wishes or seasonal promotions, keeping customers engaged year-round. As promised, I've got something special for you. I'm offering a 14-day free trial of Funnel Freedom, complete with a custom funnel, automated emails, and all the tools you need to convert more leads into paying customers for your business. Just click the link below to start your free trial. You'll get a ready-made funnel tailored to your business with follow-up emails, and we'll assist you in integrating it into your business at no extra cost. If you find it useful, and I know you will, it's just $97 per month after the trial, with no long-term commitments. Now, I'll show you how to get instant access to this complete, done-for-you system for your specific business. This setup is designed to help you get more leads, customers, reviews, and even schedule appointments automatically with follow-up emails. In the description below, I'll include a link to a spreadsheet. This is your key. It's a roadmap tailored to your specific business. First, make sure you have a Funnel Freedom account before accessing the spreadsheet. The link to set up your account is the first one in the video description. Once your account is ready, you'll get access to this spreadsheet, which includes a snapshot ID for your business. After logging into Funnel Freedom, open the spreadsheet and click this link. It will open the page for importing your automations into the software. You need to fill in your name and email address, which you use to register with Funnel Freedom. Also, you need a location ID, which you can find in Settings on the left bottom corner. Then click Business Profile and you will find it right here. The last step is to find your business in the spreadsheet and copy the snapshot ID. Paste it into the form and click Import Snapshot. Once the snapshot is imported, everything will be set up, including funnels and automations for your business. All the templates are ready so you can integrate them into your business immediately. If you have any questions or need assistance, Funnel Freedom offers 24/7 chat support. Just click on the chat button in the right bottom corner to get immediate help. There are also weekly tech coaching calls available so you can get live support from an expert. Additionally, you can find answers and ask questions in the Facebook group where the community is always ready to help. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful, and feel free to reach out with any questions. With Funnel Freedom, you have everything you need to scale your business and take it to the next level.